Hi viewers, today we're looking at standard deviation function within MySQL Workbench. So we start off by entering use world, and then selecting, and then from select enter from city, and we're gonna do a standard deviation for the whole entire population within the city table. So I'm going to start with STD, and I'm going to enter population, and we're going to do the same with STDDEV, which does the same thing, and enter population as well there, and run that, see what it comes out with. As you can see, the standard deviation for the entire population of all the records within the city table is 723,686. So that's 723,686.98 is the standard deviation. If you want to do it between two countries or specific countries, you put in a where statement and say where c.name. Sorry, if you want to do it between two cities, you put in a where statement and say where c.name in, and then bracket and select the two or more cities you want to compare. So I'm going to enter Kabul, and then a comma, and Lagos. And that's going to do a standard deviation between Kabul and Lagos, which should be lower than the entire population standard deviation underneath. So if I run that, see what it comes out with. Whoops, what have I done wrong? What name in? See what that comes out with this time. Oh, there we go. See that name in the red columns. Unknown column. Well, I see I'm using an alias without specifying. See. Run that again. As you can see, the standard deviation for the populations Kabul and Lagos is 131,000, and if we try standard deviation between New York and Lagos, we should get a different value, or even the same value if it's the same population. As you can see, the standard deviation between New York and Lagos is 3,245,139, and that's the standard deviation function within MySQL Workbench.